Hello and welcome to this video of my course. So let's start with step number 1, which is choosing the main keyword related to our services, and we will try to select a keyword that has less than 8000 gigs. Every gig available on Fiverr has been made on a specific keyword, and how we are going to choose that keyword for our gig? We will also make sure that the same keyword must not have more than 8k gigs on it. Let me give you an example. If you are a video editor, your primary keyword will be a video editor. As we have searched video editor, you can see that it has shown us that this keyword contains more than 41,000 gigs. So choosing this or this type of keyword will be one of biggest mistakes. If the main keyword has as much competition, then growing with our this type of main keyword on Fiverr will be very hard. So what is the solution for this? The answer to this question is this, that we will be more specific by creating a subcategory for our main keyword. The category can be wedding video editor, vlog video editor, or gaming video editor. If you do research, then there can be dozens of subcategories, but for now let's try one of these, which is wedding video editor. As we have searched this keyword, it has brought down the competition to half with almost 21,000 gigs on it. So let's try from the last keyword, which is gaming video editor. It has shown us a lot of gaming video editing categories. So let's choose this keyword, which is funny gaming video editor. And here you can see that this gig has less than 2500 gigs. So you can see the difference, because only video editing has more than 41,000 gigs, and then this gaming keyword has just less than 2500 gigs. While choosing or making a main keyword, whenever you search a keyword, keep in mind two things. The keyword must be the one that shows the same as a suggestion, and the gigs appearing with that keyword must contain the same primary keyword in the gig title. And here you can see that every gig title is using the same keyword almost. So this was just an example. We will not keep this course to some verbal techniques only. We will keep doing practicals at every stage until the gig publishing, to make things very clear for you that how this platform works. So for our services, we also need a main keyword. In my case, I'm going to offer SEO services for YouTube videos. So if I search here YouTube video SEO, it has shown us a deep sea full of gigs made on this keyword. This keyword has more than 81,000 gigs. So again, choosing this keyword will be a mistake. And now if I write YouTube here, it shows us YouTube channel as suggestion. Still, we are not using it, as the keyword only YouTube channel can have branding stuff gigs, also like YouTube channel logo, YouTube channel create, or YouTube channel setup. And all of these are not related to SEO. Here you can see the suggestions, YouTube channel growth. And let's try it by searching. As we have explored, this keyword has shown that it has almost 6700 gigs on it. The keyword with this amount of gig numbers is perfect for choosing and using as our main keyword. We have chosen YouTube channel growth as our primary keyword. We will note it down on a notepad file like this. In all the remaining 3 steps that I mentioned a while ago, we will use this keyword. How we will be doing the other things, you will know in upcoming videos. For now, we have completed the step 1 of choosing main keyword, and I will see you in the next video.